What's good with y'all? It's C-Mac and I am back for another video. Today we are doing a pair of custom clogs, sandals, slippers, shoes, anything you want to call them. They're actually called slip-ons on the tag. We're gonna be doing the yarn onto the clogs here, and they come out super cute. So we're gonna try them and I'm gonna show you how I do it. Let's get into it. So I did just go to Five Below and picked up these. These were actually $2.50. So I don't know if they were on sale or if they're always this price, but a deal is a deal for me, baby. And then I did go to Walmart and get me some yarn. I actually had some gray, and then I'm also gonna be using some white that I all got from Walmart. And then we are just gonna be gluing it onto the shoe, kind of making a cutesy little design. Okay, you guys, this is what it's looking like so far. Super cute, super like comfy. I didn't do the bottoms yet. I kind of just left them there so I can focus on make sure that they are laying down. So like when you're walking, they don't like flap up on the end. So I just focused on just laying down the front or the main parts here. And then I'm gonna go in and do everything, tuck them in on the inside and on the bottom. Last thing I only have to do is the back here. This one was super quick, super easy to do, super cute. Let me know what you guys think down below. I am gonna show you on feet. Let me know what you guys think. Make sure you guys are dropping that like, comment down below, subscribe, and as always, stay positive. And you know, I'll be back for more videos. Bye.
Get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gon' step. That shit that you just put out, you could've kept.